The Galaxy S25 Ultra, set to release in early 2025, has already stirred up quite the excitement, with whispers and rumors indicating that this next-gen device is set to redefine what we expect from smartphones. In this video, we're going to dive into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from groundbreaking hardware enhancements to software features that potentially set apart from the competition. Whether you're a Samsung loyalist or just someone keeping tabs on the latest tech, this is a video you won't want to miss. According to a prominent leakster, Ice Universe, who has a reliable track record in tech circles, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to boast a variant with a minimum of 16GB of RAM. Now, what's even more exciting is that this rumored 16GB version isn't just about RAM capacity. Reports suggest that Samsung might incorporate the latest LPDDR6 RAM modules. But wait, there's more. Speculation is rife that this new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 may actually debut with a different branding, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Speaking of video, Samsung has always prided itself on delivering excellent camera systems, and the S25 Ultra seems poised to carry that tradition forward. Leaks suggest a revamped camera module, potentially featuring a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor that's optimized for low-light performance. On the battery front, the S25 Ultra is rumored to sport a 5,500 mAh battery, which would be a modest bump over its predecessor. While battery capacity is important, it's the optimizations that really matter. As for storage options, the S25 Ultra could come with a base configuration of 256 GB, with options going up to 1 TB. What's more, Samsung might reintroduce expandable storage via microSD, a feature that has been sorely missed by many longtime Galaxy users. Current speculation places the starting price at around $1,399 for the base model, with higher configurations pushing past the $1,700 mark. Early renders and leaks suggest that Samsung is refining its design approach, making the S25 Ultra sleeker and slightly more compact while maintaining the large display. From potential RAM and chipset upgrades to camera enhancements and a focus on software innovation, the S25 Ultra could be the most compelling flagship in 2025. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this upcoming beast. Until then, take care and stay tuned.